8:42, December 16th, 2024. It's drizzling out here. I'm underneath this little canopy thing. You can see the wet window. You can see the rain on it. I feel just a little drizzle here, but it's really cold out here. I'm in my t-shirt right now. My room is red hot. Need to get some air out here. Room is too hot. But I got a sore throat and runny nose. I'm sneezing. But I need to get some air. And I can't go too far. You can see the rain on the bars. And across the street, lights across the street. On Elm Street. In Kearny, New Jersey. Open the door.